Hi, I'm Greg from Aruba, and I'm here to show you just how fast and easy it is to get your Wi-Fi network up and running with Aruba Instant On. These access points, or APs, were designed with the small business user in mind. First, we're going to unbox it, and second, we're going to walk you through and show you just how easy and just how fast it can be. This is an unboxing video, so let's talk about that box, both outside and in. On the outside, you will see arubainstanton.com. Feel free to go there for information. On the inside, however, when you open this box, you are greeted by the Quick Start. That will get you up and running in no time. Also, hardware installation guide, and some compliance information. Without further ado, however, I give you the Aruba Instant On 11D. Now, it also comes with a desktop mount right out of the box. So you can get set up, pop it on your desktop and go. But also, if you don't want it on your desktop, you have a wall mount kit, which is right here. This has screws included and also a 6-foot Ethernet cable. So that was the contents of the box. Now let's plug it in and really have some fun. When you start, go to the quick guard first. Number 1 says plug in, so we'll do just that. Using the Ethernet cable that was included in the kit, we will plug in first to the device. Now when you're plugging this in, make sure you look for the EOPT port, like so. Then we'll be plugging into the switch. In this case, it's a PoE switch that will give power to the device. Number 2, it says stand by. So I will wait here until the light goes green and amber. Now while you're waiting for number 2 to finish, you can do number 3, which is download the app. In this case, I'm going to the App Store. I'm going to find Aruba Instant On. And there it is, ready for me to download. So you've downloaded the app, and now you're really ready to set this thing up. You open the app and enter your credentials, which is your email and password that you've created. Once I'm there, I'm ready to log in. So entering that information, I'm then prompted to set up a new site. I can set up my network by pressing continue at the lower right-hand corner. This takes me to the next set up your network screen, which you enter your network name and network password that you determine. After you set this up, you're then prompted to add new devices. In this case, we'll be adding this device. Using Bluetooth, it will detect a device nearby. When you select that device, you will then be prompted to add the country. Enter that information, and you're ready to go. Okay, that was fast. That was easy. What if you need to extend your network? What if you need one more AP? Well, it's pretty easy with one touch mesh setup. This will be activated in no time. So let's add a new device. Select the bottom right-hand corner. Then you'll be prompted to add a new device on the screen where it says Extend My Network. Now you select Extend Network over the air. This will bring you to the screen where your device is searching for another device. When the device is found, you will then be able to add it. Make sure you accept. Then you are given the option to name the device or move forward. Once you've done that step, boom, you now have 2 or more devices on your network. And no wires connected. Aruba Instant On. Simple, secure, high-performance access points for all of your needs. Indoors, outdoors, we have a solution for you. This is simplicity at its best.